Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your log pattern to verify you are the owner of the account. Go ahead and click on create account. Go ahead and click on for personal use. Go ahead and enter your first name. Enter your last name. Go ahead and click on next. Then enter your month. Enter your day. Enter your year. Click on here to choose your gender. Go ahead and click on next. Then you'll be given different optionals for email right here. So I'm going to choose the first one right here. But if you don't like the option given to you by Google, you can go ahead and click on create your own Gmail address. So once you select your Gmail address, go ahead and click on next. Then you will have to enter your account password. Go ahead and enter your strong password. Having entered your password, click on next. And you'll be taken right here. Add phone number. If you would like, you can add this phone number to your account for use across Google services. Example, your phone number will be used for recent password. If you forgot, it will be used to recover. It will be used to receive video calls and message calls. Google Meet service, including ads, will be included. How it works, you can read detail right here. Go ahead and click on yes, I'm in. Review your account info. Go ahead and click on next. Then scroll down right here. Click on I agree. And an account has been successfully created. We can go ahead and click on the profile icon now. Then you have your second account right here. You can switch to a second account. Simply tap on here and you'll be taken to a new account that was just created right here. You can switch from one account to another. It's that simple. For you to switch to another account, tap on the profile icon, click on the second account right here. It's that simple. So this is how to have multiple accounts or two accounts on your phone without any stress. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.